Mr. Santosh Meena, Head of Research at Swastika Investmart. Thank you for joining us on News9, Santosh. Always a pleasure seeing you. You know, in the last 4 out of 5 sessions, Nifty has sharply fallen from their respective, intraday highs. But overall, the base has been slowly shifting upwards. Now, the index has been, of course, making higher bottoms. But what's your overall sense of the market, and can we sustain above 22,000 now this time around?
Yes, first of all, good morning. Yes, market in consolidation mode with a bullish bias. Generally, January, February has a tendency to be volatile, and that's why we are seeing some kind of volatility. And technically, 22,125 is acting as an immediate hurdle. The high was made in January, and again, same level is acting as a resistance. But bias is bullish because Nifty is respecting its 20-day moving average, which is currently around 21,700. So once it will cross 22,125 level, I'm expecting further bullish momentum towards 22,222 and 20,000. 22,350, even we can expect a 20,000, 22,500 level in coming days. So until and unless Nifty trades above its 20-day moving average, which is around 21,680, the view will remain with a biotech structure. Yes, Nifty is volatile with both side trades in intraday, but there is a lot of action in specific stocks and sectors.
All right, and Nifty Bank, although it outperformed yesterday, I mean the outperformance wasn't really convincing now because the index once again failed to close above the 46,000 mark. Also, most of the outperformance that we saw yesterday came from low float PSU banks, which rallied somewhere from 15 to 20%, and the big ones are just not contributing. So, what's your overall assessment of Nifty Bank at this point in time, sir?
Yes, the problem with the bank Nifty is it is a very lopsided index because major contributors are HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, which are not performing. Actually, they are key triggers, especially HDFC Bank. And the PSU banks are outperforming, but they don't have much weight in Bank Nifty. But I believe Bank Nifty is trading at a critical juncture of 45,500, near 45,500. We have a 100-day moving average, and it is trying to make a base at this level. And I believe after a RBI policy, we can expect a short covering rally on immediate basis. 46,200 to 300 is a resistance zone, which is 20-day moving average. Once we'll cross 46,300 level, we can expect a short covering rally towards 46,800, 47,000 mark. The reason is that one of the reason is that I'm expecting some dovish policy in this policy could be dovish up because after a fiscal number of 5.1%, and if that will be the case, then there will be chance of short covering rally in banking stocks. And if you see the weightage of banking stocks in Nifty, it is around 5-year low. So it also makes a case for a value buying in banking stock. But yes, SDFC Bank has to outperform. So today we have a UBS report. They have upgraded the stock for the target of 1900. So we can see some support. We can see recovery in SDFC Bank, but we will get support from like stocks like SBI, Axis Bank. So I'm expecting outperformance in Bank Nifty from here.
All right, and of course, Nifty Bank will be in focus considering that we have RBI policy outcome today. But one of the stocks that has been performing is Yes Bank. It's up another 7% this morning. In the last 3 sessions, the stock has rallied by a whopping 39%, and the sharp rally, for the benefit of our viewers, comes after HDFC Bank Group said it has received approval from Reserve Bank of India to acquire up to 9.5% stake in 6 private lenders, including Yes Bank. Now, interestingly, Santosh, I read on Twitter that the market cap of Yes Bank, currently placed at around 90,000 crore, is higher than what it was when the stock was at rupees 375 back in 2018. I mean, interesting observation. And what are you making of this rally and this run up we are seeing in Yes Bank, sir?
Yes, if you look price, you will say stock is much cheaper compared to it was before NBFC crisis. But yes, there was too much equity dilution. So after that, at current level, market cap is higher, and stocks looks expensive. So technically, we are seeing bullish momentum in small banks, PSU banks, and some private banks as well. And technically, there is a breakout of 25 resistance level. So I'm expecting some bullish momentum may continue for towards 40 kind of level. I would suggest better to exit from this stock if you get high level of 3640 level, because there are good opportunity in the market. There are lots of opportunity, so better to stick with the quality rather than volatile stocks.
Good morning, Santosh. Tata Consumer Products announced their Q3 results yesterday. The net profits fell by as much as 17.3%, missed estimates. Even us yesterday had predicted a fall of only 5.5%. Revenues are up over 9%. EBITDA is up 26%. Margins are up 200 basis points. Where did the profits get eaten up? I would like to find out from you. While international business is up 6%, India business is up 10%, non-branded business is up 4%. Coffee has contributed 32% to the growth. Tata Sampann 40% to the growth. Salt portfolio 23% to the growth. Probably they have added 22 new stores to Starbucks and 42 new stock keeping units. Probably that's eating up into the profits. Looking at the stock today, it is down as much as 1.82%, but still not too far from its 52-week high. Is it time to buy into this stock at this time, or should we wait, because it's still even at this low, not too far from its 52-week high?
Yes, if you, I'm not fundamental expert, yes, but prima facie numbers looks weak on profitability front. But I think there was an exceptional item, that's why the profitability looks down. But technically, strong is in strong bullish momentum, and it is in a consolidation phase after a run up. I'm expecting this consolidation phase will lead to upside breakout, and we may see a fresh bullish momentum. So I think buy this stock in this consolidation, you will have a well defined stop loss of 1120, and once it will cross 1180 level, we can expect a further rally towards 1250 kind of level in coming days.
That's a view coming in from Mr. Santosh Meena. Sir, thank you for joining us here on News 9. Always a pleasure speaking to you.